Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a probability system in Scratch. So first you're going to get a sprite, and you can have multiple different costumes or multiple different sprites. So now you're going to have a trigger, so I'm going to do one space key pressed. So now you're going to make a variable called anything you want. I'm calling it probability, but so you're going to set probability to, and then you're going to operators, get pick random. Now you can have it 1 through how many ever you want. I'm going to do 100 in the sake of this video. So, have an if then, and then we put an and block. If blank and blank is yeah, then something will happen. So I have a greater than block. I'm going to have a less than block. So in both of these, you're going to put probability. And so if probability is greater than, let's say, 0 and less than 50, then switch costume to button A, and we're going to do one green flag click, set probability is 0. So this is button 3A, so it's not going to change. But if I make another one and do the same exact thing, if probability is greater than, say, 50 and less than 100, then which costume to be, and I just realized I forgot a step. So what we're actually going to do is if then else. This is me. So now we're going to have the if then else is stacked inside of each other. I'm just going to move the script over here. And so we have that. So if, basically what it's saying is if the probability is greater in between 0 and 50, then switch costume to button A. So there, I hit space key a couple of times. When I hit 27, which is in between 0 and 50, it switched to this costume. But if it's not in between this, then it'll run another command, which is if probability is greater than 50, less than 100, then switch costume to this. So if I switch the variable or the numbers to less than 75, and I just do the same exact thing, you get an and block greater than, and if we do 75 and let's do 90, then switch costume to button B2. Then we have to put the probability in here and else. If I'm just filling up the numbers, so all of it will be like you'll get something no matter what, to fill in like all the 100 possible numbers. So if probability is then greater than 90 to 101, then switch costume button, where you have all of the slots. Just make a duplicate. You can just do this. Make a duplicate, select it, and then fill. Just do green, so dark green. Button B4. Now, so now if you start 92, green, boom. So now you can see that while hitting space, the probability is changing, and different colors are being selected. So now you can do to interact with other sprites. So if we make like a, let's make a kind of like a star so it like shows the sprite. This is kind of lazy. So we have that fill. It's yellow. And one that, and we're gonna go forever. And looks, I think it's go to back layer forever. So it's back. And then we're gonna say we're gonna hide this sprite. So this is gonna get into broadcasting. So if so it's it, and so we're gonna go to broadcast. When I receive, you must say just a gray block, because this is a gray block, and I think this is, yes, that's gray block. Broadcast. This will broadcast gray block. What we'll do is when gray block is received, we're gonna show. And we can also make another broadcast called if people are spamming the button. We can make it so stop. Just name it stop for that reason. It's basically broadcast stop. And so when I receive stop, it will hide it, so that makes it so the flash will not show for like a while before being replaced. See, it instantly changes. So that is how to make a probability system in Scratch. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one.